needed for maintenance. I'll talk about tank type first. For electric and gas water heaters, typical lifespans 10 to 15 years. A lot of, common knowledge would be to flush the water heater where, you're hooking up a water hose to the drain and flushing out the sediment. It really can't hurt, but it's really not going to help. All right, the sediment in there, it's not just close to the drain, it's around the walls, it's across the whole base of the toilet, so you will not get that debris out. It's going to be there. It's really a funny topic among plumbers and people who know. It's definitely just a water heater, not a hot water heater. If in essence you're saying you've got hot water that you're going to heat more, so that's definitely just a water heater.